At DSV, we aim high and go far. In every part of every day, everywhere, logistics connects us all. From changing lives and growing businesses to moving ideas forward. With every move, DSV aims to go beyond your logistic needs, providing solutions. Be it global or local transport, stored or assembled, startup or powerhouse, DSV remains constant, innovating to elevate your business. From e-commerce to automated sorting to delivering cargo using drones, DSV is building the next level of logistics, every part of our everyday, everywhere you want to be. Coast to coast and around the globe. Make your next move with DSV.